IRD Glass is a custom precision optical, non-optical component manufacturer. One of the things that really sets IRD Glass apart is our true desire to have partnerships with our customers, with our vendors, with our co-workers. We work really hard on that, and it's entangled into who IRD Glass is. It's our desire to really partner with our customers to create that long-term, lifelong relationship with them where we both are bouncing ideas off each other, improving each other's product flow processes. Employed with IRD for the past 13 years, I see the result of what a true partnership looks like. Back in 1982, IRD Glass was born. At that time, it was known as Industrial Research and Development. When the current ownership group bought that company out in 1997, they changed the name to IRD Glass to give a better idea of what it is that we do. IRD Glass and our sister company, IRD Ceramics, are precision custom component manufacturer of obviously glass, both optical and non-optical components, as well as sapphire, ultra-hard materials, ceramics, components along that line. We make windows, precision wedges, prisms, cylinder optics, mirrors, filters, assemblies, light pipes and homogenizers, laser cavity reflectors. On the non-optical side, we make precision tooling, ring laser gyro bodies, precision polished tubes, sapphire, both custom. We also have a stock library of sapphire windows available on our website. IRD is broken into two different sites. The headquarters is here in Litchfield, Minnesota. We also have a sister site up in Alexandria. We focus on the optical and the precision glass. The Alexandria facility focuses on the ultra-hard materials, the ceramics, sapphire, silicon carbide, silicon nitride, and that type of thing. We really work hard to make sure that the employees that we bring in align with our corporate values so that we're always on the same page and able to just be comfortable with where everybody's coming from and where they're all trying to get to. We manufacture products across a wide range of markets, the aerospace and defense industries, medical, sensors used throughout the aerospace and defense and automotive. We make components for the inspection and process control, for the security markets, for high-power lasers. We are sole source manufacturers for a number of global companies, including the likes of Honeywell, L3, Rockwell, Agilent, TDK, Boston Science, and many others. Try to get as much information up front from the customer as we can and communicate throughout the process, making sure that we're on the same pages for exactly what they need and want. We work with our customers for process improvement to make sure that our customers are getting what they truly need and nothing more, nothing less. At IRD Glass, we really are all about the partnership, building a long-term relationship with our customers, with our vendors, with our employees. Because at the end of the day, if all of our shareholders aren't successful, IRD Glass isn't successful.